Okay, so this is a StatCrunch video brief on how to do a couple of things. So, number one, if you go to the case study on StatCrunch, this was a typo, but everything else is now good. So you're wondering, how do you make a table? Well, basically, the days with 3 classes, that's already started for you. So to do that, you just cut and paste. Now, and then you calculate the probabilities. Now, since there were 45 days of each, that's enough there. So what we can do now is, if we want to do this with 4 classes, now, you can cut and paste another table. Now, what you would have to do is highlight this last row, and under Table Tools, go to Layout and Insert Below. So you're going to end up doing this. Now, what you'll do is, basically, you'll make one with 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's how that's going to work. Now, basically, when it comes time for the binomial one, you can just, cut and paste them, but just change those to the binomial ones. Now, for the binomial ones, you can use, just type in binom PDF and, get it that way. So now you're probably curious on question number 2, is it? This is actually a simple question. Overall percentage, Maggie gets a positive reward. Now, I threw in a hint here. Now, so on 3 class days, Maggie earned 0 rewards 4 times, 1 reward 21 times, 2 rewards 14 times, 3 rewards 6 times. And basically what then happens is you add the total number of rewards, and that's just for the 3 class days. Now, for 4 class days, so by the way, 3 class days, there were 45 times 3 classes, which is 135 classes altogether. Now, for the 4 class days, I'm going to just kind of get you started on that. You would go with this chart that you're getting, and so it would be 0 times 2 plus 1 times 15 plus 2 times 13, and so on. Now, so you'll get the total number of positive rewards. Now, the total number of positive rewards is going to be the numerator. Now, for 4 class days, how many total classes were in there? Well, that would be, there were 45 of those days times 4, and that would be 180 classes. So then, that's part of the denominator. So hopefully this gives you enough information. Now, for 3, do the binomial distribution. Basically, binom PDF, you can do the whole NCR thing or binom PDF. Now, this is an example. It's not the actual one. So now, one way to tell that you've done this right is all the probabilities in each table should add up to 1. And then Molly's probabilities, so yeah, and then 4 compares them. 5, Maggie's twin sister Molly had an average of 2 per day exactly. So you want to figure out Maggie's exact average per day. So that's actually very easy to do. And then Molly's, Poisson, this is the Poisson distribution with a mean of 2. All right, so I hope this helps you out. So again, any questions, please shoot me an email. Thank you, and hang in there.